Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In this video I want to teach you guys how to create your company logo using Canva AI. Now with Canva AI you'll be able to create a company logo without stressing yourself or breaking the bank just to get a graphic designer to create a unique logo for you guys. So I want to show you guys how to do this using Canva Pro. Now if you don't have a Canva, just create a Canva account using your Gmail. It's very easy to do. Now you can see, now this is my Canva profile. I'm using the paid subscription, which is quite affordable, so you don't need to go through those invite links you're searching online. Now this is the best way. You can pay monthly. It's not up to $2. You get it now, which is good. So let me just go back to Canva. Now once you come to Canva, this is the section here. Now this is how it is. Just come to the Canva AI. Now let's create something different. Let's say I want to create a logo for, create a standard company logo for, then use this to differentiate what you're talking. I'm saying create a standard company logo for, not big giant tech, or for Tiana store. Then click words. You can say design an image, design for me. Just do not click on any filter, just submit. So this is generating. I can see these are logos Canva AI creates for me. As I click on this, now this is nice. Also you can also edit this using Canva editor, but you just need to have the pro plan, which is very affordable. Now this is how the logo is, which is nice, right? But I don't want something like this. I want something more. So let me just add a new page to this. Now I want to create using Canva Magic. Now if you come to Canva, instead of going to that Canva area, just come to this section and let's say create a logo for then enter. Now this will also give you templates of logos, as you can see. So that will be nice. So if you come to Canva, if you go to let's say, okay, if you come to app, go to Canva, come to app section here. Now this app section here, search on, let's say, logo. There are other apps that are linked to Canva. Search on logo. Now these are different kind of logo apps in order for you to generate the logo for your business. So let's start with logo maker. Let's see. Now so just write in your logo. Then click on create. Now this could not create, so you try another one again. So I just want to show you guys, if you go to AI logo maker, this is one other way to create. Just go to the app section and search on AI logo maker. So let me search again. Then you can inspire me. This is a way for you guys to write, but just do what you know best. Then you can select the style of logo you want. How do you want the logo to look like? Let's say techie. Let me just put it this way. Select that, and you can select the color. Let me just say generate. And not enough credits. Now go to logo master. So I'm doing this just in case you come across it. Now I've exhausted those credits. Now if you're new to Canva, you're able to do that while using those platforms. Now let me do the same thing here. Then optimize prompt with AI, then generate this. Now this is generating, as you can see. Now Canva offer different kind of tools for you guys to become more than a graphic designer, and helps you to reduce money spent in terms of getting tools that are very expensive. As you can see, this is what it's generated. So let me just click on this. Now I like this. Let me add this to a new page. Now this is what you just have to do. If you're using Canva Pro, you can just remove background remover. As you can see, you can also change the color. Let me just improve this. As you can see, this is how it will look like. Let me do the same thing here also. Now this idea of this image, this is the T standing for Titiana, while the store is like a cat bag for purchase of items. As you can see, let me just do this, and let's say, so go to, we need to add a new font text. Go to font awesome, go to app settings and search on font awesome. It gives you something like this kind of colorful design. Let's go to app. Once you come to app, search on font awesome. Okay, this is let's say, okay, it's Font Studio. Click on Font Studio, it gets you all this. So let's search on a color. Let's see what we need to add. So there are different kind of premium designs, you can see. Now most of this premium, you need a license from the Font Studio, so we won't be using that now. So I don't want to go through this process because most of you don't have the license. I mean, you have to be registered with them. So I want to go through that length. So let's see again. Come to this magic. Type text. Come to text. Sorry. Then go to Titiana. All in capital letter. Alright, Titiana store. So come to Canvas here. So you have options to use different kind of writing. Let's go to styles, text style. Let's see. Now this text style is in heading, sub-heading and body section. Go to font again. Let's use this font. Let's see. Let me increase it. Now you can see this font. So let's blend this together. You can come to come to effect. Let's add the background to this. You can change this background to change the background color. Let me just use this to match with the bag of black. No, let me use this to match. Okay, so let's do something like this, or better still, now let me copy this back color. Go to this, click on this back color, Then this is blue, right? Copy this. Let's copy the, let's see, okay, this is cyan. Search for cyan. Now this is cyan color, so let me use this dark cyan, not so dark. Okay, let me see. I want to copy this. All right, click on it and you click on this section, then you copy this cyan. Then I'll go back here, go back to the effect section. Then this is the background. Then I'll click on this and then I'll paste in my code. Good. So we'll come back to that section now. Let's spread this. Let's see, this is the roundness. So let me just put this below, which is good. Now the transparency, let me see, should be, let's see, the roundness. Yes, if you spread it upward, it's too much, so I want something like this. Alright, now we've gotten this design, so let's do something more to this. Let's change the color. So if we go with white, so this is just let me say kind of an example on how to do your own logo using Canva. Once I take it down, for instance, let's use a different setup. So let me just go back here. Now let me take this down a little. So I'm just playing around this just for you guys to see that you can also get this using Canva. Let me just take this big. Okay, now this is good. So this text section here, let's say, okay, we're not given, this is a free text. I don't like the free ones, they're not that nice. If you put text outline, let's say, now this is how the text outline will look like. Then let's change the font. That is premium, meaning we'll just have to use only the free section. All the fancy one are premium, which is not nice. So there's no free one, so we won't be using this. Now go back to app section, search on font again. Let's see, okay, this is font frame. Now if you click on open, and this is just a framework for fonts. Let's say if we are given, good, let's search this. So we need a kind of catchy front, though still free. Let me try this, let's see. So this height is, let's change this again. So let's add this to design. So let me take this out, then increase this section. Sorry, let me delete this. Spelling is wrong. Good. So you can also do something like this, and you can also improve, which is the later. You can see you can space it like this. Let me just use something like this. And this is line spacing in terms of the shadow. So let me see. So this is 8. I just take it to 1. So let me go back and add this to the design. So let's say if this is nice, let me increase this section. I think this is not that nice, so let me delete this. Go back to this section here. Okay. If you spread it, it will be smaller. So now this can also be a form of logo section. So I just want something like this. Like this now will give you a different kind of idea, as you can see, if it is merged. So let us give it a little space. So add to design. Good. So let me increase this section. So basically guys, this is how you use Canva to create free logos design, just in case you need more inspiration and just have to walk through most of this. There are more to do, you just need to practice more, you're able to get this. So if you like this video guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to Big Giant Tech. Thank you guys for watching my video once more.